students, let us continue the remaining problems that were left in the exercise 6D. So, integral 1 by 1 plus root x into x minus x square dx on 0, 1. So, let us take x equals to t square here, so that square and root will be eliminated. Solution, let x is equals to t square. This implies dx is equals to 2t dt. Now, let us substitute in this given integral. Integral dx is nothing but 2t dt. That's what we have prepared just now, by 1 plus x is t square while root x is t into square root of, so x is t square minus x square is t power 4. This is equals to 2t dt by, this is 1 plus t into, take a t square common in both of them, then we'll get 1 minus t square. This is equals to 2 integral t dt by 1 plus t into, so this is root of a into b, root a into root b. So root t square is square root gets cancelled, so t into root of 1 minus t square. So this t gets cancelled. This is equals to 2 integral 1 by 1 plus t into root of 1 minus t square dt. So this is the special integral where the denominator contains linear expression and a quadratic expression. So this is of a special type. So let 1 plus t is equals to 1 by s we will take. Now differentiate. dt is equals to minus 1 by s square ds. Integral 1 by d by dx of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. Now this is equals to 2 into integral 1 into dt is dt is minus 1 by s square ds, minus 1 by s square ds by 1 plus t is 1 by x, 1 by s into square root of 1 minus t here is 1 by s minus 1. So t square is 1 by s minus 1 whole square. From this, t is equals to 1 by s minus 1. So t square is 1 by s minus 1 whole square. T square is 1 by s minus 1 whole square. So 2 integral minus 1 by s square ds by, this is 1 by s into, this is 1 minus, expand, 1 by s square plus 1 minus 2 by s. This is equals to minus 2 integral 1 by s square ds by, this is 1 by s into square root of, so here 1 minus 1 by s square minus 1 minus into minus plus 2 by s. So 1 gets cancelled, minus 2 integral 1 by s square ds by, this is 1 by s into, so here s square s, LCM is s square, by s square is LCM, so s square gets cancelled, so minus 1 plus s square by s is s into 2, 2s. This is equals to minus 2 integral 1 by s square ds by, this is 1 by s, this is 2s minus 1 by root of 2s minus 1 by root s square. Square root gets cancelled by s. So this implies minus 2 integral 1 by s square ds by, this is 1 by s into 1 by s. 1 by s into 1 by s is 1 by s square into square root of 2s minus 1. So 1 by s square gets cancelled. This is minus 2 integral 1 by root of 2s minus 1 ds. So this is minus 2 integral. This is of the form integral 1 by root x, 2 root x. So 2 root of 2s minus 1 by the quotient d by ds of 2s minus 1 is 2. So 2 gets cancelled plus constant of integration c. So minus 2 into square root of 2 into s is equals to here 1 plus t is 1 by s, while s is equals to 1 by 1 plus t. This is 1 by 1 plus t minus 1 plus c. So this is minus 2. LCM here is 1 plus t. So 2 minus of 1 plus t plus constant of integration c. So minus 2 square root of 2 minus 1 minus t. 2 minus 1 is 1 minus t by 1 plus t plus c. So this is minus 2 square root of 1 minus t is equals to x is equals to t square, while t is equals to root x. So 1 minus root x by 1 plus root x plus constant of integration c. So this is what we have got here. Now minus 2 into root of 1 minus root x by 1 plus root x. So let us rationalize with 1 minus root x by 1 minus root x plus c. So this is equals to minus 2 into square root of 1 minus root x into 1 minus root x is 1 minus root x whole square by, this is 1 plus root x into 1 minus root x. It is of the form a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So 1 square minus root x whole square plus c. So this is minus 2 into square root of, square root gets cancelled. So this is equals to 1 minus root x by, this is root of 1 minus square root gets cancelled 1 minus x plus c. This is a by b under root. So root a by root b. Here square root gets cancelled 1 minus root x. Square root of 1 minus root x whole square is 1 minus x. So this is equals to, so let us multiply with minus inside. Then 2 into minus into minus plus. So root x minus into plus minus 1 by square root of 1 minus x plus constant of integration c. So this is the textual answer. Integral dx by x plus 1 into square root of 2x square plus 3x plus 1. So this is a special type. So how do we do the special type of integral? So here this is a linear and this is a square root of quadratic. So linear expression is to be taken as 1 by t. We kept on taking is equals to t as far as substitution is concerned. But in the case of this, linear expression is equals to, instead of t, 1 by t we have to take. Let x plus 1 is equals to 1 by t. Now differentiate. Dx is equals to minus 1 by t square dt. From this, x is equals to 1 by t minus 1, and further t is equals to 1 by 1 plus x. T is equals to, this I have transposed onto this side. So this is 1 by x plus 1. Now let us plug into this. This is equals to dx is minus 1 by t square dt by x plus 1 is 1 by t into square root of, so 2 into, in the place of x this is 1 by t minus 1 whole square plus 3 into x is equals to 1 by t minus 1 plus 1. So this is equals to minus 1 by t square dt, that is the numerator, by this is 1 by t into this is equals to 2 into a minus b whole square 1 by t square plus 1 minus 2 by t plus 3 into 1 by t 3 into 1 by t minus 1 plus 1. This is equals to minus integral 1 by t square dt by 1 by t into, so 2 into 1 by t square is 2 by t square plus 2 ones are 2, this is minus 2 twos are 4 by t plus 3 into 1 by t 3 by t plus into minus minus 3 ones are 3 plus 1. This implies minus integral 1 by t square dt by, this is 1 by t into, this is 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 minus 3, so cancel. So this is 2 by t square, this is 2 by t square minus 4 by t plus 3 by t is minus 1 by t. So if you feel that it is not visible clearly, then I'll write this again. Minus integral 1 by t square dt by, this is 1 by t into, this is 2 by t square minus 1 by t. So I did not do anything except writing, carrying forward this here. So this is equals to minus integral 1 by t square dt by, this is 1 by t, this is t square t, LCM is t square, so this is 2 minus t. So this implies minus integral 1 by t square dt by, this is root 2 minus t into, this is 1 by t, this is 1 by t square and a root, so square root gets cancelled. 1 by t into 1 by t is 1 by t square, so these two gets cancelled. Minus integral 1 by root of 2 minus t dt. So this is of the form integral 1 by root x, 2 root x. So 2 root of 2 minus t by quotient of t is minus 1. So already minus is there, plus c. So this is 2 into square root of 2 minus, the value of t is 1 by 1 plus x plus c. So this is 2 root of, this is 2 minus of, this is LCM is 1 plus x LCM. Here 1 plus x is LCM. 2 into 1 plus x is 2 plus 2x minus 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1 plus 2x by 1 plus x plus constant of integration c. Integral of root of e power x minus 4 dx. So whichever that is under root, we have to take it as t square to avoid the square root. Let e power x minus 4 is equals to t square. Now differentiate. E power x dx is equals to 2t dt. So let us plug into this. So e power x minus 4 is t square. So root t square, which is t, into dx. So from this dx is equals to 2t dt by e power x. So this is 2t dt by, from this e power x is equals to t square plus 4. So 2t dt by e power x is t square plus 4. So we have everything to plug into the given integral. This is dx is equal. So this is equals to square root of e power x minus 4 is root t square, which is t here, into, so dx is 2t dt by t square plus 4. So this is 2 into t square dt by t square plus 4. So this is 2 into, this can be written as t square plus 4 minus 4 by t square plus 4 whole dt. This is equals to 2 into a minus b by c, a by c minus b by c. So integral of t square plus 4 by t square plus 4 is 1 dt minus, this is 4, I'll write outside, this is 1 by t square plus 4 is t square plus 2 whole square dt. T square plus 4 by t square plus 4 is 1. So integral 1 dt minus 4, I have separated it from the process of integration. Integral 1 by t square plus 4. T square plus 4 can be written as 2 square dt. Now this is equals to 2 into integral 1 dt is t minus 4 into, this is of the form integral 1 by x square plus a square. 1 by x square plus a square is 1 by a tan inverse x by a. So 1 by a here is 2, tan inverse x by a is t by 2 plus constant of integration c. Since integral 1 by x square plus a square, it is of the form x square, t is considered to be x. 1 by x square plus a square dx is 1 by a tan inverse x by a. So here a here is 2. So 1 by 2 tan inverse x is t by 2 plus c. So this is equals to 2 t minus this 2 times 2 tan inverse. The value of t is e power x minus 4 is equals to t square. So the value of t is, from this, t is equals to root of e power x minus 4. So tan inverse, the value of t is root of e power x minus 4 by 2 plus constant of integration c. So 2 into t is root of e power x minus 4 minus 2 tan inverse root of e power x minus 4 by 2 plus constant of integration c. This further implies 2 root of e power x minus 4 minus 2 2's of 4 tan inverse of root of e power x minus 4 by 2 plus constant of integration c. Integral of 1 plus secant x under root dx. This is secant x plus 1 into secant x minus 1 by secant x minus 1 dx. So I have multiplied with the secant x minus 1 both on numerator as well as denominator. So this is equals to square root of a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So this is secant square x minus 1 by secant x minus 1 dx. So we have secant square x minus tan square x equals to 1. Secant square x minus tan square x is equals to 1. So secant square x minus 1 is equals to tan square x. So secant square x minus 1 is tan square x. So this is square root of tan square x by secant x minus 1 dx. So this is tan x, square root gets cancelled. So tan x by square root of secant x minus 1 dx. So let us take secant x minus 1 is equals to t square. Secant x minus 1 is equals to t square. Whichever that is under root is to be taken as t square, so that square and root will be eliminated. So now differentiate secant x into tan x dx is equals to 2t dt. So from this, tan x dx is equals to 2t dt by secant x. So from this, secant x is equals to t square plus 1. From this, secant x is equals to t square plus 1. So this is equals to 2t dt by secant x is replaced as t square plus 1. This implies integral tan x dx is 2t dt by t square plus 1. So tan x dx is 2t dt by t square plus 1 by secant x minus 1 is t square, root of secant x minus 1 is root t square, which is t. So this is equals to 2 integral t dt by t square plus 1. This is 1 by t. T gets cancelled. So 2 into, we know integral 1 by 1 plus t square dt is tan inverse t. Tan inverse t. So this is 2 tan inverse. The value of t is secant x minus 1 is t square, while t is equals to square root of secant x minus 1. Square root of secant x minus 1 plus constant of integration c. So this is equals to, so with this we can finish the answer, but this is not the textual question answer. So for which let us do this. 2 into tan inverse secant x is nothing but 1 by cos x minus 1 plus c. So this plus c let us add at the end of the answer. So this is equals to 2 tan inverse 1 minus cos x by cos x. So this is equals to, let tan inverse of root of 1 minus cos x by cos x is equals to, let us take it as alpha. Then tan alpha is equals to square root of 1 minus cos x by cos x. So this is equals to, root 1 minus cos x by root of cos x. So let us construct a right angle triangle. So this is alpha. So tan alpha is nothing but opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side is root of 1 minus cos x. Adjacent side is root cos x. So according to the Pythagoras theorem, this square plus this square is equals to hypotenuse. So this square is 1 minus cos x whole square plus root cos x whole square. So square root gets cancelled, square root gets cancelled. So 1 minus cos x plus this is cos x. So cos x gets cancelled. Therefore this is 1. From this, let us write as sin alpha. What is sin alpha from here? Opposite side by hypotenuse. So root of 1 minus cos x by hypotenuse is 1. So this is equals to, from this alpha is sin inverse of root of 1 minus cos x. Sin alpha is this, while alpha is equals to sin inverse of 1 minus cos x. Now come here. So 2 into tan inverse of root of 1 minus cos x by cos x. This value is alpha and that alpha is this. So this is sin inverse of root of 1 minus cos x. So this is 2 sin inverse of 1 minus cos x is 2 sin square x by 2. 1 minus cos 2x is 2 sin square x. 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x. Half angle formula. 1 minus cos 2x is 2 sin square x, while 1 minus cos x is 2 sin square x by 2. So this is 2 sin inverse of root 2, square root gets cancelled, sin x by 2 plus constant of integration c. This is the last question from exercise 6D. Integral dx by 1 plus x power 4 on real number. Solution. So this is, I will multiply and divide with a 2. So 1 by 2. So 2 dx. Instead of 2, I will write it as x square plus 1 minus of x square minus 1 by 1 plus x power 4 dx. See here what I have done is, I have divided with a 2. I have to multiply with a 2. So instead of 2, I have written it to be this, because x square plus 1 minus of x square minus 1 is minus x square plus 1. X square gets cancelled. So 1 plus 1 is 2 here. So with the 2 I have multiplied and 2 I have divided without loss of generality. So this is equals to 1 by 2. So this is a minus b by c. A by c minus b by c. So this is x square plus 1 by 1 plus x power 4 integral dx minus integral of x square minus 1 by 1 plus x power 4 dx. So 1 by 2. Let us take x square as a common here. Then we'll get 1 plus 1 by x square by, if you take x square common here, then it will be 1 by x square plus if you take x square common here, then this is 1 by x square plus this is x square. X square into 1 by x square is 1. X square into x square is x power 4 dx. Minus integral of, here also x square if you take common, 1 minus 1 by x square by, so take x square common here, then we'll get 1 by x square minus plus x square dx. So x square gets cancelled. 1 by 2 integral 1 plus 1 by x square by x square plus 1 by x square can be written as x minus 1 by x whole square plus 2. X square plus 1 by x square, I have written it to be this because a minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab, 2 into x into 1 by x gets cancelled. So x square plus 1 by x square minus 2 plus 2. So the minus 2 plus 2 gets cancelled. We are left with x square plus 1 by x square. So x square plus 1 by x square, I have written it to be x minus 1 by x whole square plus 2. So minus this 1 by 2 will be multiplied with this as well. So 1 by 2 integral 1 minus 1 by x square by x square plus 1 by x square can be written as x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2. Again the same explanation, x square plus 1 by x square I have written to be x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2. Now if you expand this, x square plus 1 by x square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, 2 into x into 1 by x. X into 1 by x gets cancelled, plus 2 minus 2 gets cancelled, so we are left with x square plus 1 by x square only. Now let here I'll take x minus 1 by x is equals to t. Then if you differentiate, x derivative is 1 minus 1 by x derivative is minus 1 by x square whole dx is equals to dt. So this implies 1 plus 1 by x square dx is equals to dt. Likewise here take x plus 1 by x is equals to t. Now differentiate, d by dx of x is 1. 1 by x derivative is minus 1 by x square whole dx is equals to dt. So this implies 1 by 2. Here 1 plus 1 by x square dx, this is dt by this is x minus 1 by x is t square plus 2 is written as root 2 whole square minus 1 by 2. Here 1 minus 1 by x square dx is dt. So this numerator as a whole will become dt by x plus 1 by x is t square. So this is t square minus 2 is root 2 whole square. This implies 1 by 2. This is of the form integral 1 by x square plus a square dx, which is tan inverse x. 1 by a tan inverse x. This is so 1 dt, right? So integral 1 by x square plus a square dx is 1 by a tan inverse x by a. So 1 by a is root 2 tan inverse x by a t by root 2 minus 1 by 2. This is of the form integral 1 by x square minus a square dx, 1 by 2a log mod x minus a by x plus a. 1 by 2a here is root 2 log t minus root 2 by t plus root 2 plus constant of integration c. So this I have used to formula 1 by x square plus a square dx is 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c and 1 by x square minus a square dx is 1 by 2a log mod x minus a by x plus a plus c. So these two formulae I have used here. Now this is 1 by 2 root 2 tan inverse t is equals to, here t I have taken it to be x minus 1 by x. in the first case. So this is x minus 1 by x by root 2 minus 1 by 2 2s are 4 root 2 log. In the second part t, I have taken it to be x plus 1 by x. So here x plus 1 by x minus root 2 by x plus 1 by x plus root 2 plus constant of integration c. So this implies 1 by 2 root 2 tan inverse of, this is LCM is x here, so x square minus 1 by x by root 2. So x square minus 1 by root 2x minus 1 by 4 root 2 log, this is x square plus 1 minus root 2x by x square plus 1 plus root 2x by x gets cancelled plus constant of integration c.